How to enable or disable app notifications on lock screen on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. So you will see apps is here, so click on apps. Now here, scroll down and search apps from here. So for example, click on message app and click on notifications. So after click on notifications, so if you want to disable notification on lock screen, so click on this icon. You will see notification is disabled on lock screen. So if you want to enable app notification lock screen, so click on this icon. You will see notification is enable on lock screen. So you will enable or disable notification lock screen from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can enable or disable app notification on lock screen on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.